Welcome to my channel, where luxury on wheels meets the future of travel. Today we're stepping into something that's more than just a motorhome. It's a beast, it's a dream, it's the all-new 2026 Audi Motorhome. This million-dollar masterpiece is rewriting the rules of what's possible when elegance, technology, and power collide on four wheels. If you thought Audi only dominated roads with sleek sedans and supercars, get ready, because this motorhome is about to shake the entire luxury travel industry. So buckle up, because what I'm about to show you isn't just comfort. It's the future of road living, redefined by Audi. Now, let's start by diving deep into the Audi Motorhome itself. From the very first glance, the 2026 Audi Motorhome demands attention. Its futuristic aerodynamic design sets it apart from every other motorhome on the road. The sharp LED light signature, the massive front grille inspired by Audi's signature e-tron styling, and the sheer size of this beast make it look like a luxury mansion on wheels. Step closer and you'll notice details only Audi could master. Polished aluminum trims, futuristic sensors, and an intelligent body design that adapts to wind flow for maximum efficiency. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving statement of power, luxury, and status. Let's talk about the kitchen, because Audi has truly elevated what it means to cook while traveling. The 2026 Audi Motorhome kitchen is no ordinary setup, it's a smart culinary studio. You'll find top-of-the-line German appliances, from induction cooktops to a built-in smart oven that can auto-adjust temperatures based on your recipe. The countertops are crafted from premium stone finishes, and hidden storage compartments slide open at the touch of a button. The fridge? Fully smart and voice-controlled. Imagine saying, "Audi, open the fridge," and it happens. And for coffee lovers, there's a built-in barista-grade espresso system that makes mornings on the road taste just like your favorite cafe. Now moving into the bedroom, and trust me, this is where luxury meets relaxation in the most spectacular way. The 2026 Audi Motorhome bedroom is designed like a five-star suite. You're greeted with a king-sized smart bed that adjusts firmness to your sleep preference. The walls feature touch-sensitive panels that can transform the ambiance. Romantic warm lighting, soft blue skies, or even a starlit ceiling. Large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, but with a swipe of your finger, they transform into blackout privacy glass. Audi has thought of everything, from underbed storage with climate control to hidden speakers that create a theater-like experience for late-night movies. Now, onto the bathrooms, and here's where things get jaw-dropping. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a spa on wheels. The 2026 Audi Motorhome bathroom includes a rainfall shower with customizable water pressure, heated marble floors, and even an aromatherapy system built into the ventilation. You'll find touchless faucets, self-cleaning surfaces, and a mirror that doubles as a smart screen for your morning routine. Whether it's news updates, weather forecasts, or even a virtual assistant guiding your skincare routine, Audi makes sure you feel like royalty, even in the smallest space. But wait, we're not done. Let's circle back again and repeat. Because every corner of this motorhome deserves another spotlight. Starting once more with the 2026 Audi Motorhome itself. This vehicle is trending worldwide for good reason. The combination of cutting-edge e-tron electric hybrid technology and next-gen driver assistance makes it not just powerful, but eco-conscious. With long-range batteries, solar integration on the roof, and AI-assisted driving, this is Audi's bold move to dominate the luxury motorhome industry. Back to the kitchen again, and here's another detail. Audi includes a fold-out dining island that transforms into a work desk. The lighting is fully adaptive, so cooking at night feels just as bright as daytime. Audi even integrated a smart waste system that sorts recyclables automatically. Cooking here isn't just easy, it's futuristic. Returning to the bedroom, another highlight is the hidden wardrobe with automated lighting that greets you as soon as you step inside. Audi even designed climate zones so each side of the bed can have its own temperature setting, perfect for couples with different sleep needs. This isn't just a bedroom, it's an intelligent comfort zone. The bathroom deserves a second mention too. In addition to spa features, Audi went all out with water-saving smart tech. The shower reuses filtered gray water for eco-efficiency, and the mirror includes AI health scans to monitor hydration, skin quality, and even suggest wellness routines. Audi didn't just design a bathroom, they designed a wellness center. Now, let's briefly touch on another motorhome giant, the Kenworth W900. Known for its rugged build and long-haul dominance, the W900 is a legend in its own right. But when you place it side by side with the 2026 Audi Motorhome, you realize just how different the visions are. Kenworth builds for power and endurance, while Audi builds for luxury and futuristic living. Both are beasts, but Audi is clearly defining a whole new category. Finally, let's wrap things up by returning one last time to the 2026 Audi Motorhome, the most trending motorhome in the world right now. It's bold, it's breathtaking, and it redefines road luxury. From design to technology, from the kitchen to the bedroom, from spa-like bathrooms to eco-friendly systems, Audi has created a masterpiece. This isn't just travel, it's an experience that turns every road into your private luxury resort. And with that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed exploring the 2026 Audi Motorhome with me. Until next time, keep chasing luxury, keep chasing dreams, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing motorhome reviews right here on this channel.